Starting with the great name of Allah. Today we are going to learn about the greater and the less numbers. It means we will use the symbols of greater than and less than. Which number is greater and which number is lesser. That is on page number 4. Some examples are given on this page. You have to do practice of yourself. Then we will come on the exercise and that would be your homework, but after this and next video. So as you see on the page, two examples I have written, that one of them is this and one of them is this. The symbols, this symbol is used for the greater than and this symbol is used for the less than. It means if the number before this symbol comes, it would be counted as a bigger number or the greater number, and the number that comes up after this symbol, it would be smaller number. And in this symbol, if any number comes before this number, it would be smaller, and the number after this, it would be greater. So in the two examples, see in this example, from these two numbers, from here to here, this is a single number, and from here to here, this is another number. From these two numbers, which number is greater? See, this is 73,921,018. This is 73,800,000. See, this is 900,000. This is 800,000. Of course, this number would be greater. So we will use this sign. This sign. Okay. Now see in the next example. That is 73,921,121. 73,900,000. See, this is 921,000. This is 921,000. Means up to here the numbers are same. Now see, up to the hundreds, which number is smaller or greater? This is 121. This is 400. Of course, the 400 would be greater. So here we will use this sign, this towards this. Okay, now you have to do practice of yourself at your home, your own. Thank you.